My name is Lila,
And my name's Ashling.
and we decided to work together at the start of the semester because our hopes for this class were very similar.
We were both very interested in doing something to help the environment and reduce fossil fuels.
Hi, I'm Ashling Daly.
And I'm Lila Bodeman.
Our project is Food Fuel. The objective of our project is to help biodiesel become more accessible to people no matter their socioeconomic status.
I had done a lot of research before this project about transesterification and that process of making biodiesel, so it seemed natural to continue to work on that project more efficiently in this class.
So after a few classes of research, we found out how to make relatively large amounts of biodiesel and where to find other establishments that use biodiesel. We ran into some issues. Firstly, the professionals have big machines, processors for biodiesel that cost about $1,000. Secondly, despite making calls to every place with driving instance that advertised to use biodiesel, we didn't get anywhere.
Is this a cell phone or what?
This is a cell phone, yeah.
I'll try and reach back to you.
All right, thank you. Sorry. After researching other schools and businesses with similar ideas to our project, none were a success. Despite the shortcomings, our research did allow us to figure out how other schools were using biodiesel to be more environmentally friendly. Almost all of the schools used leftover fryer oil from their cafeterias, and after consulting with Mrs. Lanzetta and Ms. Zecca, we got the okay to ask Bud if it would be possible to use the oil from this school.
He said yes and showed us where the cafeteria staff store the oil. We found out that the runoff oil goes to 2 large barrels that gets taken off by a truck.
On a recent afternoon, me and my partner went to Chef Bud, and there we were supplied with our oil. Now all we had to do was put it to the test. We converted the oil into biodiesel. Originally we used about 500 milliliters of oil to convert to biodiesel. We then calculated the needed molarity for a sodium hydroxide solution. Then I used a 1:10 ratio of the oil to isopropyl alcohol, followed by adding 10 milliliters of sodium hydroxide solution, which is what I needed to make sure that the whole thing stayed pink for 10 seconds. After this, I crushed up 10 grams of sodium hydroxide into as close to a powder as I could so that it could be dissolved in methanol. I combined the oil and methanol mixtures together, mixing for 5 minutes to make sure that they were both fully integrated with one another. Then I let that set for 3 days over the long weekend. Then we pulled it out and we could see that the biodiesel and the fats and glycerin were separated. So that means when heated, it could be put into any diesel engine. We hope to use this biodiesel around campus to help on-campus transportation, heating, and to fuel transportation to and from school. With the usage of this on campus, me and my partner hope to spread this innovative use of supplies to other local schools. Thank you.
Thank you.